Naturally Marked here. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Before we get into this video, I see you, see me, so I want to see you. Press subscribe and become part of the fam bam. Okay guys, so this is after my bentonite clay mask I did a couple of days ago. What I have in my hair right now is that mane and tail deep moisture leave-in. No, it's a deep moisture conditioner, so it's like a hair mask kind of. So you have to rinse this one out. You can't leave it in. But look how moisturized and defined my hair is. Like I said, this is after my clay mask. So I'm going to be rinsing this mask out. I had the mask on my hair for about 45 minutes and I did sit under a hooded dryer because I did the clay mask. So I just wanted my hair to be really, really moisturized. So you guys are going to see me rinse out my hair and then I'm going to put it in sections and then I'm going to start styling my hair. So my hair is thoroughly rinsed out from the deep moisture conditioner. I'm going to use this mane and tail as my leave-in conditioner. And then I have my own product that I made, which is a curling clustered cream. It's made out of shea butter. That's what I'm going to be using as my styler. And then I'm going to use the Lotta Body styling foam or styling product. It was a liquid. My cousin had recommended me to use it, so I wanted to give it a shot. So that's what I'm going to be using for my styling products. Yeah, it's soon. It's soon, and that's why I was... Oh, I don't know if this is gonna work. Oh, it's my first time. Let's see, maybe I should start out with a little instead of a lot. Oh, no, went right in. Oh man. That went right in. Ooh, yes! Yeah. And the church say yes. 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 You better shut up and do it, baby. Yes. Oh my goodness. Oh. Oh, yes. No product has ever went in my hair like this. Oh my goodness. Do you see what I see? Oh, that feels like butter. I mean, it is butter. I mean, it's like shea butter, but I mean, it feels like butter in my hair. Yes, Jesus. Wanna do it, wanna do it. Oh my. Mm-hmm. 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 Oh man. Should I say, ah man. Yes. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's do the next one. Oh my goodness. Okay, so yes, it's the Lotta Body Style Me Texturizing Setting Lotion. I'm going to put it into this little spray bottle to just make the application a lot easier. But I did apply my product all over my hair. I'm allowing that to sit and soak into my hair strands, which I didn't need to let it sit for long. And I'm going to try a low bun, no, a low ponytail in my hair. I wanted to see how my hair was going to curl up, but it took so long for my ponytail to dry. I thought I was going to use the brush, but I didn't use the brush. So you guys are going to see at the end of the video that my hair was still wet. I did do the plopping method, but I just took out the twist and sprayed a lot of body in my hair. Would I use the Lotta Body again? I think I will, but I'm going to have to try to use it again in a different way because I don't feel like it made my hair crispy or like it didn't make my hair dry, but I just feel like I probably didn't use it in the correct way. But I absolutely love the smell, y'all. And y'all know I do not like products with smell, but I actually enjoyed using it for the smell purpose. But as far as it actually holding my hair, or I don't know what a setting lotion necessarily does, but I think I might have to just use it in a different way to see if I get a different result. But I absolutely love the smell. Like, I would almost just use it by it alone just because of the smell. Like, it took away the mane and tail conditioner smell. So thought I was going to use the comb to brush out my hair, but I didn't. Okay, so when you guys see me brushing my hair, I'm not sticking the bristles all the way through my hair. I'm only trying to smooth out the top of my hair, and then I'm finger detangling or finger combing my hair. I am spraying more water and adding more product in my hair just to try to define the end of my hair so that they're not poofy or frizzy. Normally I twist my hairline because you guys know I am suffering from postpartum shedding and my hairline is growing back. So it just be sticking up. It sticks all over the place. Like I don't know what to do with it. So the only thing that I can do with it is kind of roll it or flat twist it on itself so that my hairline isn't just sticking up and making the style just crazy. So you guys are going to see at the end of the video like my hairline look pushed back. So from here on out, when I do like my quote unquote wash and goes, and like I explained before, my wash and goes are me styling my hair in a protective style, wet, and then I tie my hair down, and then I untie my hair the next day when my hair is dry and my hair is just set the way that it's set from the previous day of me washing my hair and styling it wet. So this time I just wanted to see what my ponytail will look like if I let it dry down. But you guys, I did not wear my ponytail out like this. I literally put my hair up in a bun after I showed y'all the last clip. It had been 2 days and I was trying to allow my ponytail to dry and it was just taking too long. So I did put it up, but you are going to still see a little white residue on my hair. But like I said, I have low porosity hair and it takes forever for me to dry my hair, and especially when I put a plastic bag on it. So I'm just trying to shake my hair right now to get the curls to clump the way they want to clump and unclump or whatever, just to kind of shake it out. And then I'm going to do the plopping method for my ponytail, and then you guys are going to see the end results in just a minute. So this is immediately like the next morning, and as you guys can see, like my hairline is still pushed down, but you can tell where my hair kind of stops at is a little frizzy. And I did sleep with the plastic bag on my hair for the plopping method, but I probably shouldn't have did that because it just took so long for it to dry. But I didn't want my hair to like I didn't want it to be rubbing all over my shirt. I wanted to try to give it the benefit of the doubt, like trying to allow my curls to clump and suck up the moisture. So now my ponytail is dripping wet, so I'm like, oh my gosh, I can't walk around like this. So I did put my hair rag back on for the rest of the day, trying to allow it to dry without the plastic bag on my head. And by the end of the day, I think I came back the next morning, or maybe it was the same day. I can't remember, but my hair, my ponytail, it was still wet. And that's just the way that I left it. I just put it in a bun because I wash my hair every Saturday or Sunday. And by this time, I think it had been 2 or 3 days. So I was just like, it's almost close to wash day again. So I just concealed my hair for the rest of the day with this satin hat on. And then I came back to y'all that night. Yep, I sure did. I got the same shirt on. I came back that night, but my head rag had kind of slipped off of my hair. You see my edges is a little fluffy, but my hair did kind of clump together and it's shrinking up, but you can still see the white residue in my hair because my ponytail is still wet, and it actually never fully dried. So this is what my hair looks like right now. Just imagine it without white stuff in it, because this is the end result. But yeah, you guys, this is kind of like just testing out new things and then seeing what my hair will look like if I try to do a low ponytail on just soaking wet hair. Normally I would do my low ponytail on a dry bun, and then I allow it to air dry. So I think I like that way a little better because it dries faster. But I started twisting my edges, like I said, just to protect my postpartum shedding. But this is the end result, you guys. And I didn't make my bed, so don't judge me. Bye.